Imagine this. You walk out of the exam room feeling confident. You wrote a lot, you filled the page, you used big words like notwithstanding and aforementioned. Then your result comes back. Writing 5.5. Painful, right? Today, we're going to fix that. We'll talk about 3 big, sneaky, high-impact errors that silently drag your score down, even if your ideas are strong. And I want you to interact as we go. I'll ask you little questions, mini tasks, and you can test yourself. Ready? Let's start. Error 1. Answering the wrong question. This is the #1 trap, especially in Task 2. Many candidates don't write a bad essay. They write a good essay to the wrong question. Why this kills your score? It destroys task response, which is 25% of your score. Even brilliant vocabulary can't save a misinterpreted question. Typical ways students misunderstand the task. They discuss the topic instead of answering the question. They write advantages or disadvantages when the question asked for opinion. They give both sides when the prompt wants a clear stand. Quick interactive test. Here's a question. Some people think children should be taught to be competitive. Others believe cooperation is more important. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Which kind of essay structure is required? A. Opinion only. B. Discuss both plus give opinion. C. Advantages, disadvantages. Think. The answer is B. If you choose anything else, boom, score drops. How to fix it? Use the magic 20-second checklist before writing. What is the question type? How many things do I need to write about? Do I need an opinion? Do I need examples? Yes! This saves more points than any fancy vocabulary. Error 2. Writing long but weak paragraphs. Many students think longer is better, but IELTS examiners love structure, not length. What makes a paragraph weak? No clear topic sentence, too many ideas mixed together, no example, no explanation of how the example supports the idea. Which of these sentences is a good topic sentence? A. In modern society, there are a number of reasons people choose online shopping. B. Many individuals today shop online because it is more convenient than buying in physical stores. If you picked B, you are right. Why? Because B presents a single, clear claim you can develop. The strong paragraph formula? Teach this to any student and their score jumps. 1. Topic sentence. Clear, simple, one idea. 2. Explanation. Why is this true? 3. Example. Real or realistic. 4. Result or effect. Link back to the question. Try this mini task. Write a topic sentence for, do you think people should work from home? Just spend 10 seconds thinking. Great! Even a simple line like, working from home benefits employees by offering greater flexibility and reducing stress, already gives your paragraph direction and strength. Error 3. Trying to sound fancy and ending up unnatural. This is the heartbreaking part. Students memorize long words and complicated structures, and the examiner reads, in the contemporary epoch, individuals are imbued with multitudinous obligations. They know this isn't your natural voice, and worse, unnatural language leads to grammar errors, collocation mistakes, and awkward phrasing. IELTS wants 3 things: clear meaning, natural collocation, and accurate grammar. Fancy, not better. Natural plus accurate, high score. Interactive mini challenge. Which sentence is better? A. Nowadays, juveniles perpetually indulge in recreational activities that are detrimental. B. These days, many teenagers spend too much time on activities that are not very healthy. The answer is B. Clear, natural, error-free. How to fix this? Use medium-level vocabulary, reliable and common. Use complex sentences, but don't chain 4 ideas in one line. Read Band 8 samples and copy the simplicity, not the complexity. So let's recap the 3 deadly IELTS writing score killers: misunderstanding the question, weak, unfocused paragraphs, and unnatural, forced language. If you avoid just these 3, your writing instantly jumps by 0.5 to 1 band without learning any new words.